Ready to ditch the snail mail and get your letters signed electronically with the power of Adobe and Docusign. First, open Adobe Acrobat Pro or your preferred Adobe software like Adobe InDesign or Microsoft Word. Create a new document, or open an existing letter template. Type in all of your letter's content, including the date, recipient's address, body, and your closing signature block. Now, this is where the magic happens. Transform that signature line and date line into interactive form fields in Adobe Acrobat Pro. Go to the Tools panel and select Prepare Form. Click on the signature and date line of the form, and then click Add a text field. Then double-click the text fields you created and customize the properties for the formatting. Save your Adobe document as a PDF file. Next, log into your Docusign account. Click New. Then upload and select the PDF letter you just created. Drag and drop a signature field from the left-hand pane onto the signature line you created in Adobe. Do the same for the date field. Adjust the field sizes as needed and assign the recipient. Finally, add the recipient's email address. Customize the email subject and message, and hit Send. Docusign will guide your recipient through the signing process. With a few clicks, your letter is signed, sealed, and delivered, all electronically. Subscribe for more tips.